English quiz. Question 1. I have lived here. 2015. The answer is A. I have lived here since 2015. Question 2. They. To Paris twice this year. The answer is C. They have been to Paris twice this year. Question 3. She. To the party if she finishes work early. The answer is C. She will come to the party if she finishes work early. Question 4. My father works in a hospital. He is A. The answer is B. My father works in a hospital. He is a doctor. Question 5. Which word means very big? The answer is D. Huge. Question 6. I don't have money today. The answer is C. I don't have any money today. Question 7. You meet someone for the first time. What do you say? The answer is B. Nice to meet you. Question 8. Your friend says, I'm thirsty. You say. The answer is A. Let's get some water. Question 9. Someone says, thank you very much. You reply. The answer is D. You're welcome. Question 10. Which is the best way to ask for the time? The answer is C. What time is it? Question 11. The movie was so that I fell asleep. The answer is B. The movie was so boring that I fell asleep. Question 12. Neither of the students ready for the exam. The answer is A. Neither of the students was ready for the exam. Question 13. This is the first time I sushi. The answer is D. This is the first time I have tried sushi. Question 14. He prefers coffee, tea. The answer is C. He prefers coffee to tea. Question 15. I don't have friends in this city. The answer is B. I don't have many friends in this city. Question 16. This is the movie I have ever seen. The answer is C. This is the worst movie I have ever seen. Question 17. I was born April 10th, 2001. The answer is C. I was born on April 10th, 2001. Question 18. Can you me the salt, please? The answer is D. Can you pass me the salt, please? Question 19. The car suddenly down on the highway. The answer is A. The car suddenly broke down on the highway. Question 20. The teacher asked us to attention. The answer is C. The teacher asked us to pay attention. Question 21. I couldn't what he was trying to say. The answer is A. I couldn't figure out what he was trying to say. Question 22. I don't mind waiting because I'm not a hurry. The answer is A. I don't mind waiting because I'm not in a hurry. Question 23. We need to out the form before submitting it. The answer is D. We need to fill out the form before submitting it. Question 24. He always his mind at the last minute. The answer is C. He always changes his mind at the last minute. Question 25. I'll call you when I home. The answer is B. I'll call you when I get home. Question 26. They offered me the job, but I it down. The answer is B. They offered me the job, but I turned it down. Question 27. Don't worry, I'll your dog while you're away. The answer is D. Don't worry, I'll look after your dog while you're away. Question 28. I'll be ready 10 minutes. The answer is B. I'll be ready in 10 minutes. Question 29. You should your shoes before entering the house. The answer is A. You should take off your shoes before entering the house. Question 30. Can you me a favor? The answer is C. Can you do me a favor?